Okay, so now this is the FTT account trade recap review. And we can see here that the first trade on screen is this trade right here. So we're one time framing on the 30-minute, and on the 5-minute, we're seeing some opposite one time framing. So we made a high and then we're starting to one time frame on the 5-minute. But I entered here on the micro chart based on the 24 EMA backtest, and I placed my stop loss below the 30-minute candle low, the prior bar low on the 30 minutes. So let's see how that played out. Okay, now price is going lower. 5-minute is still one time framing. We hit the 50 SMA, which the 50 SMA coincides with also this supply and demand area here on the 5-minute. You can see I mark it out with this green box. So we backtest that supply, we flip it into demand, and yeah, we're off to the races from there. I entered with 10 micros here. The risk management wasn't the best because on this FTT account, my daily loss limit should have been lower than this stop loss that I chose. But moving forward, I'm going to implement an automatic daily loss limit and I won't be able to change it. So yeah, I'll talk a bit about that at the end of the video. And yeah, you can see in this video that the price started rejecting from that supply into demand flip and the 50 SMA. And now the 5-minute is breaking the 5-minute down trend line. And yeah, the stop below the 30-minute prior bar low is valid. We closed 30-minute candle above the previous day very high. So now I took a partial profit of 5 mini contracts and I placed my stop at break even. And price comes, stops me out here at break even and then continues in my direction. So yeah, that's no problem. I got $70 out of this trade. So let's see what the next trade had for us. This is the trade I took on the NQ chart. It was after the New York Open. We had this previous day high sweep on all the time frames actually. And we did close the 30-minute inside previous day price action. You can see that in the lower part of the screen here. We also touched the monthly VWAP and we swept the previous day high. So then since New York started, we saw an impulsive move down, and now we bounced from the VWAP and we backtested the 8 So let's see what is going on right here. So yeah, this is where I took the trade on the micro chart. You can see that we backtested the New York Open, and that's where I entered the 10 micro short here. It was right around here, around the previous day high. So we lost the previous day high, and then I entered with 10 micros. And my stop loss, my first TP with 5 micros was at 4040 ticks away, and the second take profit was at 80 ticks away. And it got hit pretty fast in this impulsive 1-minute candle, and I made $300 in this trade. I'll show you on screen right now. You can see my close profit is 375 and 70 from the first trade. So that's good until now. Let's see the next trade. So right now we're backtesting the VWAP. This is a classic VWAP trap. We're below the 1-hour trail. We closed some 5-minute candles below the VWAP. We're backtesting the 24 EMA. So right now I enter with 4 micros, and yeah, this is a really fair stop loss and risk management trade. I don't have anything to say about this. I'm okay with how this trade unfolded. I placed my take profit quite a bit far. And yeah, I let the trade play out. You can see that the delta is trying to backtest the 1-hour trail, but now we're going lower. And I have $96,100 and I take partial profits, and I exit the trade for a win here. I think it was $13. But yeah, moving forward, let's see the next trade. I entered again with 2 micros, a short, and I placed my stop above the high, and then I placed my stop at the previous day point of control. I did that just because in the previous trade, I fumbled the trade and I had $100 unrealized profit, and I just wanted to enter the trade again because the trade wasn't invalid. So right now I'm trying to work with my take profit strategy, and you can see I made $40 in this trade. So yeah, this is where I closed the trade. This was the last trade of the day. I'm pretty happy about it. I made $420. Yeah, moving forward, I'm going to take my daily loss limit more seriously. I'm going to implement an automated system that won't allow me to lose more than my daily loss limit. So I'll use a program called Cold Turkey. And when I hit my daily loss limit, I won't be able to change it from rhythmic back again. So yeah, I guess if I'm going to have a couple of losing days, that's just going to force me to be more mindful of the trade that I'm going to take and just wait for the market conditions to align for my trade setups to work. And yeah, moving forward, that's it. That was the recap for today. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.